Hello everyone. Good to see you again. I'm your Life Bites partner. Today, we're going to show you how to create a short video by adjusting widescreen format video into portrait shorts format video. Before we dive into very detailed presentation on how to create our first video, let me show you some of Clipchamp's many amazing features. When you start a new video in Clipchamp, you can select from 6 different aspect ratios or dimensions. This feature allows you to adjust the dimensions of your video to suit different platforms. You can find the aspect ratio button just below the export button in the top right of the editor user interface. This shows a drop-down view of all available aspect ratios. Let's try to create a shorts video on YouTube by adjusting the current video's aspect ratio. But first, take a quick look at the video on the timeline. The default aspect ratio selected by the system is usually 16:9 formats because this is the most common ratio for videos. We will adjust this into the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio. To change the ratio, click on 16:9 just below the export button in the top right of the editor user interface. This will show a drop-down view of all available aspect ratios. Select the 9:16 portrait aspect ratio to create a short video for YouTube. Then go to the first video on the timeline, drag the seeker, and select the first video. Go to the video preview window and click on the Fill button. Again, drag the seeker onto the second video in the timeline to highlight it. Go to the preview window and select the video. Again, click on the Fill button. Repeat the same procedure for the next and other videos, until all the aspect ratios of all videos in the timeline have been adjusted into 9:16. After adjusting the aspect ratios, next step will be to adjust the layout of the videos in the preview window. Drag the seeker onto the first video in the timeline. Select the first video in the timeline. Select the video layout in the preview window. Drag the video preview to the left until desired layout and center of image is attained. As for the second and third video on the timeline, there is no adjustment needed because it's already on center. Again, drag the seeker onto the fourth video in the timeline. Select the fourth video in the timeline. Select the video layout in the preview window. Drag the video preview to the left until desired layout and center of image is attained. Repeat the same procedure for the next video, until desired layout and center of image is attained. Let's run the edited video to check the layouts and center of images. It seems everything's fine. We're now ready to create our first short video. So far, we have covered just a little of the many amazing features of Microsoft Clipchamp. If you want to watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.